Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can start making money with the Nasdaq 100. Just make sure you watch this video right up to the end so you don't miss a thing. So here are the 5 tips and strategies that really pay off big time. Our first on our list are trend lines. So this pair is simple when you trade it with the use of trend lines, and in my case I consider trend lines to be very profitable and simple to understand, whether you're a pro trader or you're a beginner. And I've witnessed a lot of successful Nasdaq and currency traders make money through this strategy. So this is a 4-hour time frame chart. As you can see, we've already drawn our trends. Here we have a lower trend line and our upper trend line as indicated. The green arrows indicate the up moves and the black arrows indicate the down moves. Inside our larger trend is our inner trend, and basically inner trends are trends in a trend. Our inner trend helps us identify the direction of the larger trend. So trend line are one of the most profitable ways of trading the Nasdaq 100 and other currencies. Make sure you watch this video more often as your guideline on how you can make money and become profitable on the Nasdaq 100. Next on our list is support and resistance. Support and resistance helps us to rejoin, add positions, or where we should put or move the stop loss. Our green borders are the levels of support and resistance. These green borders gives us insight on where we should enter or exit the trades. All the resistance that have been broken and retested are automatically becoming our new levels of support. So if a resistance is being broken and retested, it becomes a new level of support. And if a support is being broken and retested, it becomes a new level of resistance. In our case, since it's a bullish trend, which means it's an uptrend, all the resistance that have been broken are automatically becoming support. So the third one on our list is how you can identify a trend. How you can identify the higher highs and how you can identify the higher lows. How you can identify the lower highs and how you can identify the lower lows. So this gives you more confidence as you break down the chart in 2 pieces, and always remember the trend is always your friend. So since our higher high passed the last point of lower high, this is a confirmation of the market turning point, and since our previous trend was broken, which was our downtrend, also gives us another confirmation. So the best entry point is at the retest of the previous trend, which is also our new point of support. If you paid attention to our second tip, you should be able to understand that the first pullback is actually the strong level of support. So this can be either ways depending on the direction of the trend. So do this daily and follow the tips. Buy low, sell high. Risk management, discipline, patience, hard work, and consistency. So long as you follow this, your trading journey is about to change. How to be part of the 10% that make money in Forex. Manage your risk. Always use a stop loss. Know when to exit the market. Always write down a trading plan. Protect your capital. So risk management is simply not risking it all in one trade, and do not risk something that you can't stand to lose. Always use a stop loss. Using a stop loss controls your discipline and patience, and it's one of the things that will make you a good trader and a successful trader. So next in my video I'll be following up on the Nasdaq 100. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing.